9. Longevity. Parrots are certainly long-lived companions. Some species can live for centuries, making them lifelong friends for their human caretakers. Just imagine getting a pet for a lifetime. Amazing. 10. Trade and conservation. While some pet parrots come from breeders, trade in exotic parrots is a significant global business. It is better to buy from the breeders so they don't go into extinction in the wild. Thankfully, efforts to protect wild birds have reduced trafficking of exotic parrots in America. 11. Colorful characters. Parrots are often brightly colored, showcasing a vibrant palette of hues. Proud, colorful birds. Their plumage adds to their charm and uniqueness. 12. Feathered entertainers. Yes, they are really great entertainers indeed. Some parrot species are known for imitating human voices.